Hello everyone. Welcome to the episode of most repeated question of Maths Board Exam. So this question has been taken from the chapter surface area and it came last year only. And we often see these ratio kind of questions every year. So let's discuss what this question is saying. A solid sphere is cut into two hemispheres. The ratio of the surface area of a sphere to that of the hemisphere taken together is. So we have been asked about the ratios of the hemisphere and the sphere. As we can see, this sphere has been broken down into two hemispheres, right? And we have to give the ratio of this sphere to these two spheres, right? So let's calculate the surface area of both the figures. Let's calculate the surface area of this sphere first. Let's say it has a radius of r, right? So the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, and it has been broken down into these two. Because these are part of this only, so they will also have the radius as r. Then how to calculate the total surface area of a hemisphere? It is nothing but this, the curved part, that is 2 pi r square, that is half of this, plus the surface area of the circle also. So we have to add plus pi r square also. So it will become 3 pi r square. So same follows for this also, it will be 3 pi r square. So we can say for sphere, the total surface area is 4 pi r square. For hemispheres, the total surface area is 3 pi r square plus 3 pi r square, which we can say is 6 pi r square. So we have to find the ratio of sphere and the two hemispheres. So the ratio will be nothing but 4 pi r square divided by 6 pi r square. So pi cancels out with pi, r square is cancelled out with r square. We have 4 upon 6, which is nothing but 2:3. So we can say the answer for the given question will be 2:3.